In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use seeds in Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up a custom seed for any worlds that you create in Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. Now, first, I just want to make something very clear. You will notice that due to my cursor, it makes it obvious that I am recording this video on my PC. But don't worry, the method that I'm going to show you here is also going to work for the Bedrock Edition available in PlayStation 5. I'm just recording on my PC for convenience. All that you have to do to set up custom seeds and use them for any worlds that you create is to click play from the home screen and then select the option to create a new world. In here, go to create new world once more, and finally you will be able to set up the parameters of the world. So you have the usual stuff such as the name, game mode, difficulty, and then to actually use a seed, you have to go to advanced. So switch over from the general category to the advanced one, the one that has the little furnace icon, and you will immediately find the world seed. This can be whatever you want, so type out any seed here and you will be good to go. Alternatively, you can click or select templates and you will then be able to browse through various templates. Maybe you want a seed that has a desert village, so you got one right here. It makes the process of finding specific structures extremely easy, and you can plan your whole playthrough around your spawn point. So I'm going to choose one of the newer biomes here, the cherry groove. I want to see how it looks. So right after you select any of the templates or you manually include a seed, you will be good to go. So create your world. This might take a while, and once you hop in, you will notice that everything was transferred over if you set up the seed correctly. So as you can see right here, we got a cherry groove biome near our spawn point. We seem to even have gotten an actual snow biome here as well. So this is all you have to do. As long as you set up the seed before world creation, it is going to be ready to be used, and you can set up any manual seed or choose from one of the templates. I hope I was able to help you on how to use seeds in Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.